Unduire muhituke ni mahinda niguo ucungiriirie gutherema gwa ciiko cia kugimaria airitu anini kaunti-ini ya Garissa ona thengia ya kambini itiganite gukorwo itafanitio kaunti-ini iyo. Kuringana na mutafariri wa Sisters Maternity Home Zahara Hashim augite unduire uyu ukoretwo ugithii na mbere ni gukorwo atongoria a ngathi itiganite matikoretwo makinyitanira gutigirira ni wahukio kaimana.
Because what we have learned as an organization that it is not a religious obligation, and this is really motivating us. Now this is why we want to talk to the community and tell them that why are we doing FGM when it is not a religious obligation. The other partner that we are partnering with is the lay enforcers. These are the chiefs. However, the chiefs, we are seeing a lot of reluctance in them because up to now we have not seen them arresting or taking anybody to court because of people who are practicing FGM, taking girls for FGM.
Hashim ni ugite ni makoretwo magitangikira airitu atatu o kiumia thutha wa gukorwo magereire unduire ucio akiuga kugimarithia ciana cia airitu ni kurehaga mathina matiganite ma kimwiri.
The worst consequences. For example, we are seeing per week we can get mothers who have had problems like vesicovaginal fistula, and this is because of undergoing FGM. Because you know what FGM does? It creates so much problem for the women.
Hashim ningĩ ni amenereirie aciari aria mathingagiriria ciana ciao kugimario akiuga ni muhituke ni mahinda.
Women are taking their children to the rural areas, and this is where now we are targeting. We have been having low-scale FGM forums in the other rural parts, but of course, as an organization, we have challenges.
Hashim augite no meguthi na mbere na gutabania kambini cia kuhurana na unduire ucio niguo gutigirira ihoto cia ciana icio ni cia thingatwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.